Kuki Zoo Council (KZC) has strongly opposed demands to implement NRC in Manipur before upcoming census, calling the move premature and unjustified. In a statement by its secretary Ginza Walzong, KZC emphasized that the NRC is strictly a national exercise, leaving no legal basis for any state government or community to unilaterally dictate its timing or implementation. The statement claimed that the demand for an NRC before the census is based largely on unsubstantiated allegations against the Kuki Zoo community. It added that such claims should be verified using credible demographic data. The council further cited the Assam NRC, which excluded 19 lakh people and remains stalled due to legal challenges, urging those demanding an NRC before the census to consider these severe consequences. Welcoming the central government's move to launch the decennial census, which was delayed from 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the KZC maintained that an impartial count is the only credible way to dispel false population narratives. It further called upon all concerned to allow the census to proceed without obstruction, respect the authority of the central government over the NRC, and refrain from allegedly using demographic issues for communal propaganda or victimization.